Hello everyone, this is a new video on quantum mechanics where I'll be discussing some new questions. Okay, so let's solve some questions. Right, first question. I hope you try to solve first, then only I will solve it. Okay. Suppose a spin half particle. Suppose a spin half particle is in the state. The psi state is given, gate state is given 1 by root 6, and the matrix is given 1 plus I, and this given 2. Okay, if Sx, what is Sx? X component of the spin angular momentum, x component of the spin angular momentum is operated. Okay, x component of the spin angular momentum operated is measured. What is the probability of what's the probability of getting plus h cut by 2? Okay, so options are 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 6. Option D is 1 by 6. This question came in just 2014. Okay, so try. So, okay, let me solve this question. You can pause the video if you're still solving it. So, first of all, what is Sx? The matrix form of Sx is h cut by 2, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, because this Sx can come from h cut by 2 sigma x, right? This sigma x is what? Pauli matrix. And we know Pauli matrix X is what? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, right? So Sx is equal to h cut by 2, 0, 1, 1, 0. So the eigenvector current corresponding to Sx would be what? Eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to plus h cut by 2. Okay, of the matrix X, of the matrix S. The matrix S is what? S is Sx. Sorry, of the matrix Sx is. Suppose if I write it like this, so it will be 1 by root 2, 1, 1. Remember this one, okay? Eigenvector. We can get the eigenvector. You can calculate it. Alright. So corresponding to h cut by 2 of the matrix. Okay. Yeah. So 1 by root 2, 1, 1. Alright. Because see, okay, if you want to calculate the eigenvector, we can do it. Right. You can first get the eigenvalues, and corresponding to the eigenvalues, you can get the eigenvectors. Alright. How to get the eigenvalues of this? 0, 1, 1, 0. But this is h cut by 2. H cut by 2. Yeah. Right. A minus lambda I is equal to 0, right? So this is minus lambda is equal to 0. So lambda square minus h cut square by 4 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to plus or minus h cut by 2. So it has two eigenvalues, plus h cut by 2 minus h cut by 2. So eigenvector corresponding to plus h cut by 2 will be what? Eigenvector corresponding to plus h cut by 2. How will we calculate? Hmm? So s6 upon like okay. So how will you calculate h cut by 2? 0110 upon x1 x2 or something is equal to eigenvalue is plus h cut by 2 into what? This sx 0110, right? Got it? So x1 x2, sorry, x1 x2, yeah, got it. So here if you see, mm, what, this h cut by 2 h cut by 2 can be cancelled out, right? So these two can be cancelled out. So you will get here x2 is equal to x1 and x1 is equal to x2. So both are 1 1. If we take it as k, take it as k. So we are getting something like k. So k can be taken out to become 1. K 1 1. This is eigenvector. And if we normalize it, it will be 1 by root 2 1 1, right? You know this. So your eigenvector corresponding to lambda h cut by 2 is what? 1 by root 2 1 1. Okay. Yeah. But so the probability of getting now, if we can, probability of getting probability of getting plus h squared by 2 is what is the question, right? So we can do the psi the given one square. Okay. Yeah, what is sky? We have taken this one as sky, right? We have taken this one as sky. Yeah, but this is your kate form, so bra form will be what? 1 by root 2 1 1. Okay. And your psi is what is psi? Psi is given in the question. This is your psi, kate psi. So 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6, yeah, 1 by root 6, 1 plus I, this is 2, and their whole square. Okay, so this becomes 1 by root 12, and this becomes 1 plus I, 1 by root 12, then 1 plus I plus 2. Yeah. So this becomes 1 by 12, and the square of this one, 3 plus I mod square, which is this is 9 plus 10, so 10 by 12, 5 by 6, which is your probability. Did you get it? 5 by 6 is our option C. Okay. Yeah. This was the first question. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Write down the state of a particle. The state of a particle. State of a spin 1 particle. Okay. State of a spin 1 particle is given by psi is equal to 1 by root 3 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 state 1 0 exponential I pi by 3 plus 1 1 exponential 2 I pi by 3. Okay. So where state as ms denotes the denotes the spin eigenstates, spin eigenstates with eigenvalues, with eigenvalues h cut square a whole into s plus 1 and h cut ms respectively, respectively. Okay. Find find expectation value of sx, that is the expectation value of, that is the expectation value of the x component of the spin, the x component, expectation value of the x component of the spin. Okay, the state of a spin 1 particle is given by psi is equal to 1 by root 3 1 minus 1 1 0 exponential I pi by 3 plus 1 1 exponential 2 I pi by 3, where S M S denote the spin eigenstates with eigenvalues h cut square s whole into s plus 1 and h cut ms respectively. Find Sx, that is the exponent expectation value of the x component of the spin. Okay, let's try this question. Let's try. Right. So how to solve this? This question came in TIFR 2018. Okay. Okay. So try. You have tried. See. Let's see how to solve it. State of a particle is given, right? Psi is given. Yeah. So psi is given. So let me write it psi. So let me write psi again. So psi x is equal to 1 by root 3 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 exponential I pi by 3 plus 1 1 exponential 2 I pi by 3. Alright. So if we apply, if we like, okay, Sx, first of all, Sx can be written as what? Okay, Sx is your half of S plus plus S minus. Okay. So if we get the expectation value of Sx, that means we have to write something like this, right? So if we apply here, so psi half S plus plus S minus psi, yeah. So half goes out, so I can write something like this: psi S plus psi plus psi S minus psi. All right. So let's separately do them. Let's not rush. Separately do them so that we won't get confused. Okay. So psi is what? We'll first write the kate form of psi. Sorry, bra form, because kate is given. So bra we will write 1 by root 3. Okay. Something like this. Just the sign will opposite. Okay. And the I will be minus I, complex conjugate. Yeah. Plus 1 0 exponential minus I pi by 3. Got it? The I pi by 3 will become minus I pi by 3 plus 1 bra 1 1 exponential minus 2 I pi by 3. Yeah. So, okay, plus S plus, and we'll write the this one 1 by root 3 S plus. Let's let it be here. Psi. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 exponential I pi by 3 plus 1 1 exponential 2I pi by 3. Yeah. All right. So now what? Now, okay, let's, okay, S plus means what? What is the eigenvalue for S plus? Eigenvalue of S plus is what? H cut root over of L minus M, sorry, S na here, S minus M, S plus M plus 1, right? So the M value will increase one fold. S plus, suppose this is S M M, S M. So S M plus 1, it will become S M plus 1. So let's do it. 1 by root 3, 1 by 2, that becomes 1 by 3. Okay. So this 1 minus 1 will, mean, like, if we do it with 1 minus 1, this minus 1 will increase by 1. That will give me 1 0, which is not possible. 1 1. So what can I do here? So this will not act with anyone, because I am not getting 1 minus 1 in other side. So this become, this term goes away. So 1 0. So how will I get it? I will get it with this one, because this is getting giving me 1 0. So 1 0 1 0. What is there? Exponential minus I pi by 3, and the eigenvalue h cut. This will become what? M is minus 1. Minus 1. Sorry, M is 0 here. Sorry, M is minus 1. S is 1. So 1 minus minus 1 plus 1. So root 2. Okay. It's always root 2. Okay. Plus. Okay. Any other term it will act with. It won't act with any other term. Right. Okay. This one now. 1 1. Okay. S plus, we are acting S plus. So it will act with this one, because 1 0 will give me 1 1 if acted by S plus. Okay. So 1 1 exponential it will be giving me exponential minus 2 pi I by 3, I pi by 3. So minus I pi by 3, right? So exponential minus I pi by 3, and what will be the eigenvalue again? Root 2 h cut. Okay, it will always be root 2. So this is it. Yeah, this is it. So if we add them, it will be simply giving me 2 root 2 h cut exponential minus I pi by 3. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Or did I do any mistake? If I did any mistake, please let me know. 1 1. Mm, okay. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. If we can expand it, so to be what? Cos pi by root 3 minus I sin pi by 3. Yeah. Suppose we ignore this term because it's an imaginary term. So that cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So the answer will be 2 root 2 by 6 h cut. So 2 2 can cancel, root 2 by 3 h cut will be our answer. Okay. Yeah. That is our answer. I hope you understood. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Wave function of hydrogen atom. Wave function of hydrogen atom is given by the following. Is given by the following superposition of energy eigenfunctions, energy eigenfunctions psi n l m r vector. Yeah, yeah. So psi r is equal to root over 2 by 7 psi 100 r vector plus minus 3 by root 14 psi 210 r vector plus 1 by root 14 psi 322. Yeah, alright, alright. So this is your psi. So ratio of expectation value of the energy and the expectation value of L square. The ratio of expectation value to the energy to the ground state, okay, and the expectation value of L square R. So one is the ratio, and the other one is the expectation value L square R watt. So these are the okay options will be 229 by 504 and 12 h cut square by 7. Option B 101 divided by 504 and 12 h cut square by 7. Option C is 101 by 504 and h cut square. Option D 229 by 504 and h cut square. So these are the options. Please try out first. Okay. So let's solve this question. Energy of the given state. Summation. Expectation value we know is what EIPA. Okay. So first is your if we see root over of 2 by 7. Okay. So if I take the square, it will be 2 by 7. 2 by 7 into this is the probability, right? So probability into expectation. Okay, into energy. First test 100. So that is minus 13.6 by n square. So minus 13.6 plus. Next is your 3 by root 14. So it will give me 9 by 14. Yeah, 9 by 14. And your energy state is what? N002. NLM, na? 2. So minus 13.4 divided by 4 plus now your 1 by 14. So minus 13.6 divided by 14. So divided by n is your 3, so 9. Okay. So this is the solution. This is the one. You have to get this answer from here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And what is the with what ratio it wants to calculate? Ground state. Ground state energy we know is minus 13.6. So whatever you get here, you just have to divide it with minus 13.6. You will get the answer for the first part. Next part is the expectation value of L square. So the expectation value of L square is what? What is the expectation value? L square is L whole into L plus 1 h cut square, right? L square. So we will get all the values for L from this NLM. So what are the L values? Here L value is 0. 2 by 7. Okay, we will write like something like 2 by 7 into 0 plus 3, 9 by 14 into L whole into L plus 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 h cut square plus 1 by 14 2 and L is 2 206 6 h cut square is also there. So this is 0. So 18 plus 6, that is 24 by 14 h cut square, right? So 12 by 7 h cut square. So this is the answer. This one is one answer. This one you have to calculate and you will get this. This will be the answer. Okay, not this. So I hope you got it. I hope you got it. I hope you got it. Next, so the last question. Question number 4. This one. Find the commutator. Okay, please try this. Option A, I h cut lx. Option B, I h cut lz. Option C, I h cut ly. Option D 0. So you have to find the answer. L plus L minus Lz. So if I try now, let's see L plus L minus Lz. Okay. So let's open L plus. We know is what? Lx plus ILy. L minus is Lx minus ILy. Forget the caps. So it will be like Lx plus ILy, Lx minus ILy, Lz. Lz is so simple Lz. So we can multiply them. Okay. So Lx square minus I Lx Ly plus I Ly Lx minus II square minus 1 minus 1 plus Ly square Lz. Okay. Right. So we know Lx square plus Ly square. See, Lx square plus Ly square plus Lz square is equal to L square, correct? So we can write Lx square plus Ly square as what? L square minus Lz. So I can write this one as L square minus Lz square minus this one I Lx Ly. Uh, okay, I Lx. Okay, I can do this here minus I minus Ly Lx. Can I do this? Yeah, I can do this. Lz. Okay, so we do what we can do from here is yeah. Let's do. This is your what? If you remember, this is your Lx Ly computation. Is what? IH cut Lz. Simply we can put here in this place IH cut Lz. So L square minus Lz square minus II minus 1 plus. So H cut Lz. Got it? And this is your Lz. Got it? Very simple. Now I will just separate them. L square Lz minus Lz square Lz, which will be in fact 0. Lz. 0 again. So this is 0. This is 0. Only this much is left. L square Lz. This is also 0. So answer is. I hope you got it. L square Lz is 0. Okay. So yes, also yeah. Okay. So that will be it for this class. We will be solving more questions in upcoming sessions. Okay. Thank you very much.